Hi, this is Neil from LINQ. Welcome to this LINQ Quick Start video. I'd like to give you an introduction to value cascading. This is a core capability that we're developing into the product, and it's really useful for your initial diagram build to help you understand where you should concentrate on adding detail, but also as you go through the process of capturing information supply chains through your business. Value cascading keeps track of the value that the supply chain delivers to your business outcomes. So let's go and take a look. So here we are inside LINQ, and on my canvas you can see I have drawn 4 very simple information supply chains. 2 sets of my information sources come from capture processes within my business, and the other 2 are provided by an external organisation. At the top of my supply chains, these are my information outcome nodes connected to my business outcomes. What value cascading enables us to do is to score the value of each of these information outcomes. So for example, this one here might be a 10. We're just using a scoring of 10 to 0 at the moment. And as I enter these values in, you can see the value cascades automatically down my supply chain. So we'll just finish those off. What is of most interest is when you start understanding the connections between supply chains. So for example, this information source in this supply chain may actually be part of the provision of content needed for this action to take place. When I build that relationship, LINQ automatically recalculates value for me and begins to group my nodes based on that value. So let's just do another one, link that one across there. And if we redo the layout, I can now see that rather than just having 10, 6, 8, and 10, I have nodes in this group down here valued at 16 and nodes in this group here valued at 18. This is telling me something really interesting about the information supply chains running through my business, powering my business applications. At the moment, I would want to be focusing on the content within this group here based on this capture process. So that was a very quick run through of the value cascading capability. Hopefully you can see that it will be hugely valuable as you begin to add detail to your information supply chain diagrams. I urge you to watch that video in conjunction with the cost calculation video. And of course, you can always get in touch with us if you have any questions. We're available at support@linq.it, or of course, head to our website, www.linq.it, and use the contact us form on that page. Thanks very much for watching, and see you again soon.